Hey up folks, so I'm in my village today and I'm going to take a walk down the river because I went down last night when it was dark because I've got this like flood warning, and I've lived in Barrow all my life and I've not seen the floods like this ever. I mean, it's the ice I've known it, so I don't know why, because we've not had that much rain, you know, like days and days, because years and years ago when I was a kid, I mean, I don't know if you can see over the fields back there. Obviously, I'll down to the train lines down there, but down the hill, that's where the River Soar is. It goes through Barrow. But as you can see, the bridge from here, I'll just swing it around for you guys. As you can see, it's nearly coming to the top of the bridge. It's like a lake now. Yeah, so I'm going to take a walk down there now and have a look. I was going to bring my drone around, but as you can see, there's a big pylon in that field. Got pylons, so I don't want to get too close to that, so I didn't bother bringing it down. And but if it's the same or it gets any worse, I'm going to go out tomorrow as well and maybe go upriver a bit and take some where it's a bit safer and get some overview footage of the floods. But yeah, it's causing chaos on the roads around Barrow, Sileby, Cossington, all basically around the River Soar really. And we've always had problems with floods here, but like I say, it's not been this bad for as long as I've known it. So let's get down there, let's get down to the river and we'll show you guys. There's the train tracks. We've got the Barrow station just there, and spin it round, that's to Loughborough. But you can just pan out amongst them trees, you can see the River Soar. We used to walk down there towards Loughborough. No chance now. Getting in that, you're not getting out. It's flowing really fast. This is the road out to Barrow. Let's have a quick look. It's nice sunny weather. Now this here is like probably 2.5 metres. It's usually at normal level, it'll be 2.5 metres below that. Damn, that is high, man. That is so fucking high. Obviously it's just pouring off the River Soar here. I mean, this is top part of the lock as well, so a bit nervous actually going over here. This bridge collapses, I'm screwed, man. No getting me out there, is there? I'm a goner. There you go. Anyway guys, hope you like the videos. You know, just show you what's around Barrow now, what it's like when it's flooded. But yeah, this is the worst as I've seen it, so have a good day all, and I'll see you soon in the next one, on our next trip out.